Hi, it's Bill Heinrich with True Life Purpose Now. Just headed out to a meeting, and I thought I'd take a second to talk to you about the difference between living in your head and your heart. When you live in your head, you're always focused in the physical. But when you live in your heart, you're always focused on non-physical energy. When you're living in your head, you're focused on attachment, expectations, getting more, but you're also using logic. Fear means you have to be in the physical. If you're non-physical using your heart, you're concerned about how you feel and the energy that you're sharing with other people, and that changes your life instantly. I'm Bill Heinrich with True Life Purpose Now, the author of The 7 Levels of Truth, the answer to life's biggest question. I hope you have a great day.